Hello and welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how to make these very simple tassels with crocheted cap. The tassels you can use as a keychain or as a decoration, and they you can crochet in one color like this one, in two colors or in more colors. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. The tassel I will make with these two colors. It is cotton yarn. We need two crochet hooks, little bit thicker, 2.5 mm, and thinner, 2 mm, scissors, sewing needle, and the cardboard, 9 to 10 cm wide. As a first, I make this part. On the cardboard I will wrap the yarns, and together I wrap 60 times. But if I make with two colors, I will change the colors 10 times with first color, 8, 9, 10, and 10 times with the second color. 9, 10, and again 10 times with the first color, and again with second color. So I have 60 times. And now cut these two yarns and cut all these yarns on this side. I put all these yarns on the table, and here in the middle with the yarn I knot together. One side and this one. Leave these two yarns. Now the second yarn. I wrap here 3 times. And knot these two yarns together. First part is ready, and now I will crochet this second part. I start with a thicker crochet hook, and I make magic ring and crochet 9 single crochet in the ring. And 9. Now pull yarn and close the ring and finish round with a slip stitch in this first stitch. I will crochet not in spiral round, but with the chain stitch on the begin and with the slip stitch on the end of round. Second round I will increase the stitches, 1 single crochet in first 2 stitches, and 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round. At the end I have 12 stitches. Finish round with the slip stitch. Next 4 rounds I crochet 1 single crochet in every stitches, chain stitch on the begin and slip stitch at the end. 1 single crochet in every stitches, 4 rounds. For the last round I put the thinner crochet hook, 2 mm, and the same chain 1 and 1 single crochet in every stitches. And the last stitch, cut yarn and pull yarn, and the last stitch I will sew later in this first stitch. But now I put the second part and pull these 2 yarns through the magic ring. And pull it together. Now I will sew the last stitch. In this first stitch, from the front to the back through both loops, and in this last stitch only in the back loop from the front to the back, and sew yarn in this part. Second time. Cut yarn. And now looks like this. And now you can cut all these yarns how long you want. And the tassels are ready. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.